Morning, dear students. I am Sapna from KV Zirakpur. We are going to start a second chapter, Components of Food. In first chapter, you have learnt about what is food, why do we eat food, what are the sources of food. But in this chapter, you will learn something more about food, components, nutrients of food. What are the nutrients? Different food item contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. Main nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Food also contain dietary fibers and water. How will you test for carbohydrates? The main carbohydrate is starch and sugar. We can test this carbohydrate with the help of iodine solution. Put 2-3 drops of iodine solution on the food item. If it turns blue-black, it shows that this food contains starch. This activity we will do when lockdown will open and we will go to school. Similarly, test for proteins also. Take small amount of food item that contain protein, crush it, add some small amount of water in it, shake the food item, add 2 drops of copper sulfate and then 10 drops of caustic soda solution. Shake it well, you will see the change in color, it will turn violet. Test for fat. Small amount of food item, take it on the piece of paper. You will see there is a oily patch due to that oil present in the food. So this food contain fat. Now these nutrients, their function and sources. Carbohydrates. First one is carbohydrates. Main nutrients, carbohydrate, vitamin, protein, fats, minerals, dietary fibers and water. Carbohydrates. Now carbohydrates are energy giving food. They provide energy to our body. For your daily life activity, you are running, you are reading, you are skipping. All these activities needs energy. The energy we get mainly from carbohydrates, and we get carbohydrates from rice, wheat, maize, sweet potato, mango, papaya, etc. Second one is fat. It is also energy giving food. It provides more energy as compared to carbohydrates. Fats are present in oil, ghee, butter, groundnut, meat, eggs, etc. Third component of food is protein. Protein is called body building food. Protein help in growth and repair of our body. Proteins present in pulses, peas, beans, meat, fish, eggs and cheese. Next one is vitamins. Vitamins are protective food because it protects us from many diseases. There are many types of vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. We get vitamin A from milk, carrot, fish oil, pumpkin, mango and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B present in cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, liver and fish. Vitamin C mainly present in citrus fruits, lemon, amla, orange, tomato, etc. Vitamin D present in milk, butter, egg, fish and liver. From sunlight we also get vitamin D. If you sit in sunlight, you get vitamin D. Next one is minerals. It is also a protective food because it protects us from many diseases. It helps to proper growth and maintenance of our body. Main minerals are iodine, phosphorus, iron and calcium. Iodine present in fish, green leafy vegetables, mainly in iodized salt. Phosphorus present in milk, fish, cereal, pulses. Iron present in green leafy vegetable, fruits and liver. Calcium you get from milk, egg, cheese, fish and meat. Next is dietary fibers, or it is also known as roughage. These fiber do not digest itself, but it helps to remove undigested food from our body. These are whole grain cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruit. These all things, just like salad, whole grains, bran, dry fruits, vegetables, these also known as fibers or roughage. They help to remove undigested food from our body, help in digestion of our food. Water. Most important nutrient of our food is water. It helps to absorb all the nutrients and it removes the waste from the body in the form of urine. Water is present in vegetables, fruits, milk, cooked food. You drink water. All these things provide us water. What is balanced diet? That diet in which all the nutrients which are required by our body present in right quantity. Also it contains roughage and water. It is called balanced diet. If we take balanced diet regularly, it keeps us healthy. Our next topic is deficiency diseases. What do you mean by deficiency? The disease that is caused due to lack of any nutrient for a long time, called deficiency diseases. If we take balanced diet regularly, we will not get any deficiency disease. You can see two children here. The diet deficient in proteins for a long time, person may have stunted growth. Stunted growth means growth रुक जाती है. Swollen face, discoloration of hair, skin disease, diarrhea. First child is deficient of protein. And in second one, deficiency is due to carbohydrates and protein both. The person become lean, thin, weak, and it is not able to move. You can see second child, it is very weak because it is having deficiency of carbohydrates and protein both. Now we will look at a table which contain deficiency diseases. What is the effect of these disease? What are the symptoms of these disease? First one is deficiency of vitamin A cause the disease loss of vision or night blindness. The person has poor vision. A person cannot see at night. That is the effect of deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin B1, beriberi disease, weak muscles and very less energy to work. Means person become very weak if he is not getting vitamin B. Then vitamin C, the disease name is scurvy. Vitamin C we get from citrus fruits and it affect our gums and teeth. So if we are not getting vitamin C, it cause bleeding gums. Wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, the disease called rickets. Bones become soft and bent. Next is calcium, bone and tooth decay. It also causes weak bones and tooth decay. Iodine, deficiency of iodine cause goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen and it affects the mental ability of the children. The child become mentally disabled. Iron, the disease called anemia. Person feel tiredness, weakness. So you have to learn all the name of all these diseases. Make a chart of the deficiency diseases. Learn the name and symptoms of these diseases. That's all today for today's lecture. You have to eat balanced diet and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.